In wanting to do something different with this show, we thought, let's go somewhere we've never gone before with Ringling Brothers. Let's go to outer space. So we thought it would be a great way to create a whole new experience, something that is somewhat familiar in terms of some of the imagery, the sounds, in a whimsical circus space. And it's a really exciting show and a really exciting way for us to start on our new departure with Ringling Brothers.
Well, you know, we are the greatest show on earth, so we have everything that you want for in a circus. We have flying trapeze, there's amazing daredevils, we have a great clown from Italy this year who does all these really funny, cool tricks. Well, the story this year is we have our legendary ringmaster and the star seeker. They're looking for the stars that Queen Tatiana has placed all over the universe. So they're on an adventure, and I'm actually part of the star fleet. So I'm one of the skaters that helps Jonathan go on this adventure to find all of the circus stars.
Changing the performance space changed so many things. It changes the kind of performers that we wanted in the show, the types of performances you see in the show. We have skating, and we didn't want to do, the kind of skating that people think of, the lyrical figure skating. We wanted to do something different. So we went with more of a thrill skating, and we have a lot of acrobatics that actually do incredible circus feats, but they do them on the ice. We knew we wanted to use 3D projection mapping because we now had this beautiful white ice surface that we could project on.
We have 6 big projectors in the grid that basically allow us to transform the floor into anything and anywhere. Previously, you would have needed big, bulky set pieces, you would have needed time for set changes, and now at the push of a button, we're somewhere entirely new. And I think that's something that this technology has really given us, is just the ability to keep going. The audience is never taken out of the moment.
So I've been with Ringling for 5 years. This is my 5th tour that I've been on. And for me, this is the most exciting show because of the technology. It really does bring a whole new life to the show. It makes it so much cooler. So this year we have the black track system that's just built into our costumes. It's a lighting program, and it's something that we don't even feel, but it's an ability for the lights to find us as we're traveling at high speeds or up in the air or going from the ice to the air. So it's really a unique system that is very accurate.
Previously, we had a spotlight caller. They would see the person, they would tell the spotlight person where they were, tell them when to go, they would turn it on. There was an inevitable delay there, and quite a bit of room for human error, quite a bit of room for inaccuracy. With the spotlight tracking system, you hit people dead on, and it just really adds to the flow of the show. Our spotlight tracking system uses infrared lighting to track the performers. Each performer is equipped with a beacon, which is a small black box. So essentially, the spotlight tracking system takes control of the pan and the tilt effect of the light, telling it where to go, while our lighting console controls the color, the gobo, the effects, telling it what to do. And they work together to follow each performer based on the blinking pattern emitted by their beacon. One of my favorite effects is when Paulo makes his first entrance as the Star Seeker. You can actually see multiple lights, they trail him, and it sort of gives this effect that he's, floating through space.
This show is such a multi-sensory experience. There isn't just one thing that makes it feel like outer space or that makes it feel immersive. It's really everything. So it's from the sounds that you're hearing, the video projection that you're seeing, all of the performers and the costumes and the way that they're dressed, to the special effects of the fog and all those kinds of things. So it's really all of those things working together that I think create this really immersive experience and really transport the audience to outer space.